Hi, Hannah. Let's do these problems that you have questions with. So I'm going to start with 107C, and I think this one is easier than you think it is. So we've got the fourth root of 5a to the 8th and b to the 6th power being divided by 80, a to the 3rd, b to the 2nd. Now, before we worry about the fourth root, let's reduce and simplify the quotient. For example, 5 goes into 80 16 times. 8 to the 3rd. So you got 1. 8 to the 3rd leaves us with a to the 5th power in the numerator. And then b to the 2nd leaves us with b to the 4th in the numerator. In the meantime, all you have left in the denominator is 16. Now this is a much more manageable problem. First, when you work with these enough, you will memorize that the fourth root of 16 is 2. Let's double check. Yep. And let's see what we can take out of the numerator. We've got a to the 5th power, which is a to the 4th, times a, meaning you can take a out and leave 1 under the radical. B to the 4th power under root of an index of 4 is b. So what you have left with is a b times a under root to the 4th power. Okay. Let me know if you have questions about this one. Now, the next problem, I'm sorry to say I checked the errors in the book, and this one is on it. The intention was for the problem to be 6 times root to the index of 4 minus 3/2 of 4th root of 80. That was the problem they were solving when they got the answer. What you do here is you find a factor of 80 that is a root to the 4th power. When you do that, you'll see that 6 times 4th root of 5 minus 3/2 times the 4th root of 80 is actually 16 times 5. And you recognize the 4th root of 16 as 2. And now this is a much simpler problem that you can tackle. So the first one, simplify your ratio before you take your root to the fourth. The second was not your mistake. This was the book's error in the way that they wrote the problem. I hope this helps.